In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set videos to autoplay in Wistia. Let's begin right inside your video's dashboard. Open the Customize panel, then head into the section called Controls. In some versions of the interface, you might see this area labeled Start-End Options, and that's perfectly fine. It's the same place you need. In that panel, locate the Autoplay setting and switch it on. That single toggle tells Wistia to start playing your video as soon as the player loads on a page. Now, you can choose how autoplay behaves, and this is where your viewing experience really comes together. The most dependable choice is muted. With muted autoplay, the video starts moving immediately without audio. This is excellent for background visuals or hero sections on a landing page where motion attracts attention while staying respectful to the viewer's environment. Modern browsers generally allow muted autoplay, so you'll see consistent results across devices. If your content relies on voiceover, consider using bold visuals or on-screen text at the beginning so viewers understand the message even before they enable sound. A second option is click for sound. This starts the video silently, but invites the viewer to turn on audio with a simple interaction. It's a viewer-friendly approach that combines instant motion with clear control over sound. It works especially well for product demos and explainers, where the opening visuals communicate the gist and the audio adds depth once the viewer opts in. The third option is play with sound. This attempts to autoplay with audio from the first frame. However, many browsers restrict autoplay with sound unless the visitor has interacted with the site or has granted permission in the past. Because of these policies, behavior may vary. Some users will hear sound right away, others may see playback paused or hear no audio until they interact. Use this option only when immediate audio is essential and you're comfortable with that variability. Once you've selected your preferred behavior, the change applies wherever the video is embedded. No extra re-embedding steps required. For the best experience, make your first seconds visually clear without relying solely on audio, and consider adding captions or on-screen cues to guide viewers. Also, keep your video optimized so it loads quickly. A fast start makes autoplay feel smooth and intentional. That's all there is to it. Open Customize, go to Controls or Start-End Options, enable autoplay, and choose the behavior that fits your goals. Thanks for watching, and enjoy crafting an engaging, viewer-friendly autoplay experience in Wistia.